Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I am doing a unboxing of my new Speed Cubes that I got for my graduation of grade 3. So let's open them up. We'll start with the 2x2 and we'll move on. But okay, this 2x2 is apparently the Moyu Maylong. It's my first magnetic 2x2. There's a stand, Moyu stand. It's kind of bad when you don't lube it yet, but I'm getting lube soon. I'll unbox those in another video. But yeah, it's pretty cool. You can put it on the stand. And there's also there's an accessory box in this inside, but I guess I have to open it from the other side to get it. Let's see what's in here. There's a screwdriver, and that's about it. Put that off to the side. And now we'll open the 3x3. This is the only one that actually has maglev in it. It's the RS3M 2021 Moyu again. Okay. How do I open this? Here. Wow. Another stand for it and another accessory box. It's probably gonna have the same thing in the accessory box, but we'll see. Let's see if it has the exact same thing in this accessory box, and it has the exact same thing, except there's one other thing. There is this thing. I think it's used to tension the inside, but that's it. We'll throw this package away for now and just look at the cube. Once again, yeah, it would be better if you lubed it, but we'll see. On the core, yep, it definitely has maglev. But yeah. Pretty good. Since it has maglev, it does have like the ability to turn, double turn, which is cool. But let's move on to the MGC 4x4. I think it opens like this, so you take this off. Woohoo! This looks pretty cool. Let's see if there's a different accessory box, because it is a different brand. So, okay, it does have a different tensioning tool, and it also has extra springs. But that's about it. And is there anything under this white plastic? Nope. So let's just look at the cube. This is actually my first ever 4x4. Let's see how good it is. It still has a ball core, but oh no, I might have already scrambled it. Oh no. That matches up. Well, looks like it's already scrambled, which is very sad. I'll try to use some sort of method. It does feel magnetic. I can feel the magnets, but yeah. Sad that I already kind of scrambled it, but it did not come with a stand, so I'll just try to solve the white side, a little bit of the white side, but maybe I'll try this. There's a pair, but that's about all I could do, so I guess we'll just make the logo face there, and yeah, that's about it. Turns out I didn't really need these scissors, so, but thanks for watching this video, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe, and share if you recommend it, and I'll see you later. Goodbye.